Hi, welcome back to the Reload Bench. So it's time for another unboxing video. Like most of my unboxing videos, I've ordered this stuff, say a few weeks ago. In some cases, I've got stuff that's been sitting around for months still unopened. And I've just been waiting for the right time to make the video. And I've also had a mess up here in my Reload Bench, which is pretty typical. I've been processing a lot of brass lately. So now that I've got it open and clear, I can shoot the video. I really like doing the unboxing videos. They're easy to do, and what it really does is it gives me an opportunity to share with other people who might want to order some of the same things I do from the same companies. So I'm more or less showing what condition the package showed up in, how well it was packed, and then what to expect, especially with some of the milsurp stuff I get that's used, it's surplus, what condition to expect it in, because the picture you see on the web page is not always what you end up getting in the package. Doing these videos gives me the opportunity to explain to you what I've learned over the years as far as what companies provide the best service, or perhaps how to deal with a service issue, or just in general, different things you can do to maybe consolidate your orders to save a little bit of money on shipping, because I'm all about the free shipping whenever possible. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Most of this has to do with Christmas. I've got a few, I don't want to call them last minute because there's still a couple weeks left to go, but I've got a few gifts that, you know, I thought about after the fact, and I went ahead and placed the order. And like in the past, if I'm already paying shipping, why not throw a couple extra things on there? So we're going to go ahead and start with Liberty Tree collectors. And I've been using them for years to get parts, especially for milsurps. And I've never had an issue with them. I've never had any sort of service issue. I've never gotten anything from them that I thought was maybe unfair. You know, the price was way too high, or they showed a really good picture and then I got a really low quality item or anything else like that. When you're dealing with surplus and you're ordering online, you kind of take some chances. And I've been happy with Liberty Tree. So what did I get? That's another thing about these unboxing videos. Because this stuff sits for weeks, or in some cases months, I sometimes forget what I ordered. So you can see they went ahead and put it in some butcher type paper here, or just some newspaper type paper, I should say. And they put some heavy duty tape on here. I'm going to cut it, just try not to damage the contents. Got a packing slip over here, but I kind of want to be surprised because I really don't remember what it was. Oh, okay. All right, here we go. So it's in a Ziploc bag. Let's see if there's anything else in there. All right, yeah, there is. All right. So this is an East German AK-47 sling. And this is a Christmas gift for one of my sons. My older son, who bought his first AK this year. And in the past, I got him some East German surplus, and I got an AK sling, but it did not have, it wasn't complete like this. It was, I'm not sure if it was just a different variation or whatnot, but it didn't have this clip, this latch here on it. So now he's got a sling for his AK, because I'm a stickler for having a sling on your long guns, and I know he'll appreciate this. It's kind of got a blue color here to it. The East German stuff is a little bit different. The furniture on their AKs is a little bit different. It's plastic instead of wood. And Liberty Tree packages this up nice and neat in a Ziploc bag. I mean, you can see it's in good shape. This is surplus, but it's not. It must be new old stock. I mean, there's no rust. It's in great shape. So that'll make a great Christmas present. And I believe this. Now I'm going to have to go to the packing slip. All right. So this is a rear band screw for a VZ24, an 8mm Mauser, Czechoslovakian Mauser. And I just threw that on the order to have as a spare part. So this will go in my VZ24 bin. This is here with the pin, I believe that is, plate and spring, is a Carcano clip latch. So this is really my first spare part for my Carcano rifle. And I'll go ahead, I've already got a parts bin there, which really all I've been doing, putting in the parts bin, I put the oil bottle and I put the M-block clips I've bought so far for it, and the Carcano sling. So I guess this is the second part for my Carcano if you count the sling. So little at a time, I'm going to try to get up a bunch of parts. So these are not for Christmas, but I was ordering that anyhow, so why not? And then last here, what we've got is an original finished sling for an M39, which is the final Mosin variant that Finland produced simply by capturing Russian Mosin Nagants and then remanufacturing them, basically, you know, keeping the receiver and a few other parts, but remanufacturing them to make them, as far as what I've read, the most accurate version of a Mosin Nagant you could get. And a bunch of these were in the country, tractor trailer loads of these that somebody had bought a long time ago as an investment. And the gentleman passed away and his family inherited it and they didn't want it. So as far as I know, Classic Firearms got all or most of those. And at the time, they were offering some slings with the rifles. And I don't know if... I ordered a few slings, but I don't know if I have a sling for every M39. So I thought I would go ahead and throw another one on the order. Alright, here's my spare parts for M39s. You can see all the dust on it because it's been setting for a while. See if I've got a sling in here. I do. Now this one I'm not going to take out of the packaging. But this will, oh, I've got 2 slings, so I guess I've got enough slings now. This will give you an idea, maybe, possibly. Let me see here. The coloration, this is a little bit darker, but overall the Classic Firearms sling looks like it's in fairly good shape. It's got a buckle as well. Now these, you might see them on the Classic page right now, but they're out of stock last time I checked. So I don't know if they've got any left over from all those M39s that they were selling there for a while. You can see on this one, there's a little bit of rust here, but the buckle's in good shape. And there's a little bit of rust too on the Classic Firearms sling. So what I'll be doing is I'll just be adding this to my spares, and at some point may put it to use because it's still in really good shape. So I think that was a really good deal there from Liberty Tree. But the most important thing was I got another Christmas present for my son, and hopefully he's happy with this because accessorizing your firearms is a fun thing to do.